In recent years, Montgomery County has faced challenge after major challenge. The erosion of its manufacturing base, being named ground zero for the nation's opioid epidemic, and a mass shooting. Like many county boards, Montgomery County had to privatize its adult services programs and eliminate its transportation function, which led to the layoffs of nearly half its staff. The very month the board completed these transitions, a string of deadly tornadoes hit the county, leaving thousands without homes, including 179 people with developmental disabilities. These issues, combined with years of budget cuts, had created a scarcity mindset and low morale among Montgomery County Board staff. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic. Yet in spite of these challenges and the strains on local systems and resources, the Montgomery County Board of Developmental Disabilities implemented a shared vision towards excellence that transformed its operation, improving service delivery, morale, and stakeholder satisfaction.
We are Montgomery County, and we can do better than that. Those 4 simple words were so empowering. We are now looking at our staff saying, how can we support you? What do you need to make a difference for our families and our individuals?
Progressive nature in which we've been able to operate has allowed for us to continue to provide excellent services to the individuals we support, to continue to support their families, and to continue to support the day programs that had to close during the pandemic.
Pamela knows that the services we provide are only as good as the staff providing them.
So each day, she is challenging us to do better for our families and the individuals we serve.
I've never seen this level of appreciation, creativity, flexibility, generosity, support, and trust from upper management.
In my private life, unfortunately, my husband got very ill. While I was very sorrowful and mournful through this time, the county supported me so much in being able to take off the time that I needed to help care for him and my family.
This would not have happened without the generosity of Montgomery County. They have bent over backwards to help us during this time.
I think communication over the last couple of years has been stellar, especially in the midst of a pandemic.
Management and leadership has an open door policy that they genuinely listen to suggestions that we have. If those ideas make sense, they're willing to explore, expand, try things, be innovative, and possibly even share it with others.
Our management has done a great job of being sensitive to the needs of our staff, the opportunity to work remotely, and flexibility with our work schedules. That's been helpful for me as a parent.
I can tell you over the years, I've never seen our social workers happier, more on top of things. The flexibility with the hours, I think, has reduced their stress level.
I feel like she's listened to us. That means a lot for us to work here. She has my back, she has my back, so I can do my job.
That's one of the main focuses of the leadership team, is making sure that not only the individual that we serve is all right, but also the employee is all right as well.
Communication has been so much more effective and so much more open that it's enabled us all to really collaborate in a more effective way to meet the needs of the people in our community.
They were proactive in really touching base with us to see how we were doing. Because they've come to us and asked for what we need, I think that really demonstrates a compassionate, caring approach from a Montgomery County Board.
The relationship between Choices and Montgomery County has grown so much stronger because that trust seemed to be there. That's just been wonderful to have that kind of a working relationship with people.
We are just absolutely amazed at the new solutions to problems none of us could have ever predicted.
And it was because of the creative approach that the county board took to funding some of these unique things. We installed a new door in the north end of our building so we could access a room and serve 8 additional adults with disabilities.
We knew to get out of the pandemic, that pathway was through vaccinations. And the administration here in Montgomery County stepped up and offered a $400 per employee vaccination incentive. That turned a corner for many, many of our employees.
So the vaccination clinic, as an example, was one of those opportunities that I had to come over to see the engagement with the clients. I was inspired. I ended up becoming one of the volunteers for the vaccination clinic. That came from the leadership of the team.
Partnerships with other agencies help build a collaborative spirit, an environment of cooperation and collaboration, and ensuring that their clients receive not only services from their own agencies, but are empowered and supported better throughout the entire community.
And I can honestly say that we're all working harder than ever before, but we're happier.
This has really been a time where I've just been so amazed and so proud to be a part of this organization. I think as we move forward, the sky's the limit, nothing can stop us, and I think you're going to see some amazing things happen for this organization, and the future's super bright.
It's very inspiring because it's gotten me starting to think about, what do I want to contribute to this?
We are Montgomery County, and we do great things.